All Alabama gardener here, talking about harvesting our sweet potato crop. This is how the sweet potato planting looked on 1 May. It's 16 October, and we're expecting a light frost tonight, so it's time to harvest the sweet potatoes. First thing I'm going to do is cut all the vines off so I can get down to begin digging the potatoes. Now we're beginning to see our first potatoes. So here's one of the larger ones. And remember now, this is one 4-foot in diameter bin. So here's our total harvest. We've wrapped the needle around once and we're all the way to the 1.5 mark. So that means we got a total of 12.5 pounds of potatoes.